Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. We have another sauce to prepare today for one of our clients. So I'm showing you what we are using today: the bell pepper, we're using the yellow one, the orange, red, and the green. So this is how they look like in the bag. So this is the beef meat we are using, and the mushroom, and the onions. We'll be using the other type of onions also, but we'll use this one too. So when we reach the time to add the ingredients and every other thing we're using, I will show you that one later. So please stay tuned and have a nice watch. Thank you. Okay, see, I've already cut the peppers, and I cut some of the broccoli. So add the ingredient. This is what we are using for the ingredient part today. So I will be putting salt on the beef. This is rosemary, curry, bay leaf, and thyme. So I will be putting them on. This is the seasoning that I'm using. So you can use any one you have. They all work. So I just give the beef time to boil, and I will show you whatever I add later for you to see. This is the onions one. This one is from the Mama's Guide. So yeah, she planted these onions on the beef. Okay, so we really add no water, just only the water we used to wash it. That's only the one that comes with it. Then, so when you boil them, the beef, just wait till the water of the beef dries in, but do not let it burn. Just like this, you will get a very good taste of it. I off the beef is ready. Yeah. Okay. I'll just freeze really for that. Huge pot, but I don't know if you can see inside. The pot is very big though, and it's very deep. I don't know if you can see it properly, but what I'm doing is the beef I boiled, I put them in the oil first, like kind of fried, but not that fried, before I put the vegetables inside. I don't know if you can see the water that come out by itself from the vegetable. Those are the water that come out by itself for the vegetable. So yeah, we allow the heat to allow the thing to be done a little bit. See, yeah. But now I will be adding the sauce, the sauce to put inside. So this is this one. Let me show you this is this one. We have it in the store. So I will be adding that one. Maybe if you are looking for it, if you want to cook it and remove the sauce. So this is one of the sauce I use. This one is kikoman. They call it kikoman, but you can see it in a Chinese line where Chinese or Asian food line. That's where you can get it. So I will show you the what they call it, the bottle of that one. So this is the kikoma. This is how it look like too. So if you are looking for it, you know what you are looking for. So with those one, the color are supposed to be dark, because with those one we just add. So you will take, because they both have their own taste, you have to check the taste before you can add more sauce if you want. So if you check the taste and you think that the taste can still contain the vegetable itself still need more stuff, you can add to it. But at this point on mine have enough. So if I add more thing to it right now, they will go off the vegetable sauce taste. So I'm leaving mine like this, and then yes, so now the vegetable go down. You know, the pot were kind of like full, that's why we couldn't use the small pot and we're using this big one for it. So yes, the thing is almost done. I'll just give it 2 minutes and then pack it out from here. So thank you. This is the end of this video. So see what we got out we did today. How the sauce look like. Beautiful and come out very nice. So yeah, this is it. Good. Thank you so much for always being with us, and we really appreciate you. Thank you. See you next week.